Back to our top story now. Today, hundreds of nurses took to the steps of the state capitol for a call to action as the nursing shortage has developed into a major crutch on the healthcare industry, not only statewide, but here at home. Catherine Phillips joining us in studio now with more on the challenges facing hospitals like Kaweah Health in the South Valley. Kat.
Well, Alex, on this week happens to be Nurse Appreciation Week, and the nurse I spoke to today says while things have changed and gotten better since the height of the pandemic, there are still challenges both nurses and the hospitals they work for are facing.
Nurses are built to persevere, and that's what we do.
Shannon Cawthon is the director of critical care nursing at Kaweah Health, and she's been with the hospital for 15 years. She says a lot has changed in the profession since then, but she says what stayed the same is the passion nurses have for what they do.
It's challenging, it's stressful. Nurses have to have a very innate ability to compartmentalize what happens in one room and to separate yourself from that and go into the next room or the next situation.
Throughout the pandemic, nurses have experienced burnout, with many leaving the profession altogether. A study published in April from the National Council of State Boards of Nursing says throughout the pandemic, around 100,000 nurses left the profession nationwide, many due to stress and burnout. The study also says over 600,000 nurses nationwide say they intend to leave the profession for the same reasons by 2027. Cawthon says even under the best situations, nurses can still experience burnout, but they are trying to prevent it at Kaweah Health. Still, there are challenges hospitals are facing. Kaweah Health CEO has spoken at length about the dire financial situation they, along with other California hospitals, are facing due to issues like Medi-Cal payouts. Their financial issues were only heightened by the use of expensive travel nurses, as they don't have enough nurses on staff.
We're at an all-time high. We're at about 240 agency or travel nurses, and we're down to about 80 right now.
Still, Cawthon says she's hopeful for the future of nursing, saying they are working on new recruitment initiatives, sign-on bonuses for nurses, interview days, and more education pathways to train future nurses.
I think we're doing all of the right things to get people in the right place.
Now, Nurses Week will continue on throughout the 12th for the rest of the week. Kaweah Health says they've been trying to go out of their way to show appreciation for their nurses all week with different activities and events to show their support. Live in the studio tonight, Catherine Phillips, KC24, local news that matters.